Welcome to our countdown of 10 mind-blowing waterfalls around the world you need to see. Get ready to be amazed by these breathtaking natural wonders. Let's dive right in with number 10. Number 10. Angel Falls, Venezuela. As the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, Angel Falls drops an astonishing 3,212 feet from the summit of Ollantaytambo Mountain. This majestic fall is a must-see for any adventurer. Number 9. Niagara Falls, USA, Canada. Straddling the border between the USA and Canada, Niagara Falls is famous for its massive flow rate. With a combined 150,000 gallons of water per second tumbling over its cliffs, it's a powerful and unforgettable sight. Number 8. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil. Located on the Iguazu River, this waterfall system consists of 275 individual drops spanning almost 2 miles. The lush surrounding jungle and the sheer scale of Iguazu make it one of the most impressive waterfalls in the world. Number 7. Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe, Zambia. Known locally as Mosi Oa Tunya or the Smoke That Thunders, Victoria Falls is the largest waterfall in the world by width and height combined, creating an awe-inspiring curtain of water. Number 6. Plitvice Falls, Croatia. Nestled in Plitvice Lakes National Park, these cascades flow through a series of turquoise lakes. The vivid colors and tranquil surroundings make Plitvice a fairy tale destination for nature lovers. Number 5. Yosemite Falls, USA. Dropping a total of 2,425 feet, Yosemite Falls is the tallest waterfall in North America. Located in the iconic Yosemite National Park, it's a breathtaking highlight of any visit to this natural wonderland. Number 4. Kayatera Falls, Guyana. Known for its powerful flow, Kayatera Falls plunges 741 feet in a single drop, making it one of the world's most powerful waterfalls. Surrounded by untouched rainforest, it offers a pristine and dramatic spectacle. Number 3. Gullfoss, Iceland. This iconic Icelandic waterfall, known as the Golden Falls, features a 2-tiered cascade that plunges into a rugged canyon. Gullfoss is a highlight of Iceland's famed Golden Circle route. Number 2. Datian Falls, China, Vietnam. Located on the border between China and Vietnam, Datian Falls is one of Asia's largest and most scenic waterfalls, featuring multiple drops and picturesque surroundings. And finally, our number 1 waterfall is Ban Geoc Waterfall, also on the China-Vietnam border. Known for its stunning beauty and the picturesque karst landscape surrounding it, Ban Geoc is a jaw-dropping natural wonder. These are the 10 mind-blowing waterfalls around the world you need to see. Each offers a unique experience and showcases the incredible power and beauty of nature. Before you go, here are a few tips for visiting waterfalls. Safety first. Always respect safety barriers and signs. Wear appropriate footwear. Trails can be slippery and rugged. Stay hydrated. Bring plenty of water, especially in remote areas. Leave no trace. Keep these natural wonders pristine by carrying out all trash. Thanks for joining us on this journey to some of the world's most incredible waterfalls. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing travel guides and adventures. See you on the next adventure.